Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the start of my Halloween series and I have so many planned for this and a few already filmed and I can't wait for you to all to see them. But to start off, I'm doing this Demons of the Night look and I just thought it was really fun and a little bit different. Like always, it's really easy to do and I actually love this wig. I've never ever had short hair, I've never had it red. But this one is from Hot Hair Online and I will leave a link to it down below. But it's so soft, like it just feels like real hair even though it's synthetic. But it's also so comfortable to wear as well. Like some ways they like squeeze your head, but this is so comfortable and even though it is shiny it still sort of looks real and it's perfect for Halloween and perfect for this Demons of the Night look. I also did my foundation, concealer and powder and eyebrows before I started filming because it seems what I always do, and also with this wig having a fringe or bangs if you're American, I think that's what you call them, it would have made it like 10 times harder to do, and I hate filming with just the wig cap on because I look ridiculous. So that's why you don't see me do that, I just go straight to doing the eyes. But I hope you like this look. And if you want to see how I did it, then make sure you carry on watching. So that is my super easy Demon of the Night look. As you can see, it is super effective. Obviously you could add contour, you could add your fake blood, anything like that. But I was just trying to keep it as easy to follow as possible. I also think at night this will look so creepy, especially if you had contacts in. Contacts sort of creep me out, which is why I haven't done them. But yeah, I think it would look really, really good. And like I said, this is the first part of my Halloween series. I'll be doing more throughout October. So I hope you will subscribe so you see all of those. I have some really, really good ones planned and I'm really excited about them. So I hope you like this look and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!